Welcome to the Six Sigma in the Organization lesson of Simplilearn's Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification course. The purpose of this lesson is to introduce you to the concepts of Six Sigma and Lean and how it benefits an organization.
What do you see on the screen? Well, it depends on your perception or how you see the world. If you are a pessimist, you might think the glass is half empty. If you're an optimist, you might think the glass is half full. If you are a realist, you might think the glass is full with water and air. However, the Six Sigma practitioner sees a glass that is bigger than it needs to be, assuming the current water level is what the customer desires. As we begin our journey to learn more about Six Sigma, it is important to know that applying Six Sigma is the way of seeing and analyzing the processes around you. We will talk more about what Six Sigma means and how the viewpoint impacts organizations in the screens to come. Let's begin this lesson by defining quality. Quality is defined as meeting the requirements of the customer. Well, what features do you look for when purchasing a car? What facilities do you want in your house or apartment when buying one? What do you expect from a premium chocolate candy bar? Answers to these questions will tell what quality means to you for each of these items. Here's a snapshot of the quality journey with a few key milestones. In the 1930s, the idea of statistical process control was conceived by Walter Shewhart to monitor and control a process using statistical methods. This was used extensively during World War II to quickly expand industrial capabilities of the U.S. In the 1960s, quality circles were formulated. A quality circle is a self-improvement workers group that performs similar work, meets regularly to identify, analyze, and solve work-related problems. In 1987, the International Organization for Standardization designed ISO 9000. This is a set of international standards on quality management and quality assurance for organizations to implement quality management systems. In 1987, the Baldrige Award criteria was developed by U.S. Congress to raise awareness of quality management systems and recognize U.S. companies that have successfully implemented quality management systems. In 1988, the concept of benchmarking was introduced. Benchmarking is an improvement process where an organization measures its performance against the best organizations in its field, determines how such performance levels were achieved, and uses the information to improve its own performance. During the 1990s, the Balanced Scorecard, or BSC, was introduced. It is a management tool that helps managers at all levels to align activities to the strategy of their organization and to monitor the multiple results obtained in their key areas. In 1996, the concept of reengineering was introduced. Reengineering is also known as business process reengineering, which involves restructuring an entire organization. The term Six Sigma has different meanings or implications depending on the context. Sigma is a Greek letter used in the statistical world to represent a measure of variability. The Six Sigma process is an important method of quality principles and techniques. Also, Six Sigma is a business strategy to change company culture with top management support. The Sigma level is a measure of performance for a business process or service. So when you say Six Sigma, there are several definitions that are all correct. Quality is defined as the degree of excellence of a product or service and conformance to customer requirements. Taking a process to Six Sigma level ensures the quality of product and increase in profits as the primary goal. In other words, Six Sigma signifies quality. In 1986, Bill Smith and Mikhail Harry at Motorola started the Six Sigma initiative to improve performance. In 1995, Jack Welch initiated Six Sigma at General Electric to improve the entire business system and became the global promoter of Six Sigma. In 1998, Allied Signal saved $500 million with the use of Six Sigma. In 2000, General Electric saved $2 billion annually with the use of Six Sigma, and in 2001, Motorola saved $16 billion cumulatively with the use of Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a business methodology that employs a customer-centric, fact-based approach to reduce process variation and waste. This helps us dramatically improve customer satisfaction, increase shareholder value, and strengthen employee commitment. The methodology is designed to make companies rethink the way they do business and generate improvements in processes and services. Following are the benefits of implementing Six Sigma in an organization. It eliminates the root cause of problems and defects in a process, creates robust products and services, reduces process variation and waste, ensures customer satisfaction, achieves process standardization, reduces rework by getting it right the first time, addresses key business requirements, helps gain competitive advantage, and helps achieve organizational goals. Following are the 3 reasons why organizations are successful with Six Sigma. It is a proven systematic problem-solving methodology that follows a tried and effective process known as DMAIC, which improves productivity and efficiency by eliminating defects. Six Sigma is customer-focused. This methodology ensures businesses align their projects to customers' needs. It allows organizations to produce better products and services and improves customer loyalty. Lastly, Six Sigma achieves long-term improvements based on data-driven statistical analysis to prioritize issues and fix root causes. The Six Sigma process is known as DMAIC. DMAIC comprises 5 phases: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. These phases are the roadmap to problem solving and improving our processes. The effectiveness of Six Sigma method is derived from its structure. Each phase has an overarching objective and specific deliverables that need to be completed, which helps us achieve the objectives. The purpose of the define phase is to document the problem, the desired outcome, goals, and deliverables. The purpose of the measure phase is to obtain baseline process performance levels and quantify the problem. The focus of the analyze phase is to identify the key root causes for process variation and defects. The purpose of the improve phase is to develop, test, and implement the solutions. The goal of the control phase is to monitor the key factors and maintain the gains. You learn the aspects of the DMAIC process. Now we'll look at the tools used in each phase. The list of tools corresponds to the DMAIC phase in which they are used. The use or application of these tools gives the expected deliverables in each DMAIC phase for a greenbelt. Some of the tools listed are not required in every Six Sigma Greenbelt project. These tools give us an insight into the problem and lead us toward the real issues in our processes. That is, with more experience, you're likely to know the tools you need for your projects. In the define phase, we use SIPOC, Voice of the Customer or VOC, Critical to Quality, CTQ, the Quality Function Deployment or QFD, Failure Modes and Effects Analysis, known as the FMEA or the FMEA, and the Cause and Effect CNE matrix. In the measure phase, we use Measurement System Analysis or MSA, control charts, process capability, and normality plots. In the analyze phase, we use Simple Linear Regression or SLR, Pareto charts, fishbone diagram, Failure Modes and Effects Analysis, the FMEA, multivariate charts, and hypothesis testing. In the improve phase, we use brainstorming, piloting, and also the Failure Modes Effects Analysis and Design of Experiments, DOE. In the last phase, control, we use control charts, a control plan, and measurement system analysis.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.